Hey, hey. Hello, everybody. So, look at where... Oh, comes Sammy. You gonna come with me to the chainsaw guy?
Yeah, no.
So we're getting I think about 9 or 10 planks. We're bringing it to the chainsaw guy. So the chainsaw guy can cut these in half, and then they're gonna go to the furniture maker for the kitchen cabinets. So we're trying to push to get this place finished. This is by far the hardest part of the whole construction project. Getting everything, getting all the last details done on the kitchen cabinets, sliding drawers, the stove, getting the cutouts, putting up the hood, the doors, the bathroom vanities. So these are all the things we're working on right now. And it's a slow process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 planks. You can see this wood is 3 by 6 by 10. So these are 3 by 6 by 10s. For the most part, some of them might be 2, 2.5. And then, so we're gonna cut these in half. And they'll be perfect size for the furniture guy to work with. It's another hot day here in the Philippines. I haven't done any work yet to the boat, but we'll get there. Make sure my motor is still in here. I haven't checked it. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Ano ba ito? Tuwa sa kauban. May tao man ito magkakaroon na. Na. Birthday. Birthday.
Is it birthday?
No.
Today?
No.
When?
Anong English sa ugma?
Oh, it's your birthday? I gotta buy you a present?
No.
Huh?
20, sir. 20.
September 20? September 20 is your birthday? August 20?
August 20.
Nando birthday.
Oh, it's coming.
Si
Nando.
18, 19, 2 more days. 2 more days.
Nando 21.
Oh, we're gonna have a big party.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So guys, we're off to the chainsaw guy to bring this wood so they can cut it in half. Then it goes to the furniture maker. It's 10 pesos per foot. I think it's like 10 feet per 10 foot per board. There's like 10 boards, so it's like, I don't know, it's like 900 pesos, something like that, to have the wood cut in half. And furniture guy gave me an excellent price for the cabinets. Very happy about that, and that will keep my workers free to keep moving forward with the rest of the house. And so Joe, hi guys. So like I was saying a few minutes ago, Joe, you know, all I can say is, if you guys subscribe to our channel, you watch our videos, I can't thank you enough. But it doesn't mean I can go out there and subscribe to everyone's channel that's on my channel. It's just not gonna happen. Number one, I don't really watch too many videos on YouTube because I'm so busy. It takes me, because of the internet here, it takes me forever to upload videos, forever. In between all the work I do all day long and then uploading videos all night, I don't have time to subscribe and look at other people's channels right now. I don't even have a moment's rest to myself. So, you know, if you're commenting on my channel and you're angry that I'm not watching any of your videos, I'm sorry. You know, I've got a million other things to do than to watch your channel. I don't know if that sounds awful or sounds mean, but I just can't understand. I don't understand that concept of you subscribe to my channel, I have to subscribe to yours. Guys, I'm so busy right now. You have no idea. Today I'm doing doors in wood for the furniture, for the furniture maker. Tomorrow I'm back to Tagbilaran. It's a 2-hour drive each way. I gotta go back there and get more supplies. I gotta get hardware for the drawers, for the cabinets. We've got to get our furniture in bed and stuff like that, because the doors will be ready this week. I just don't have a lot of leisurely time. So right now the guys are putting the doors in the car. All right, come out. It's okay? Nice. It's straight now. It'll slide. Okay. Thank you. Huh? That thing's no good.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll find it. We'll find it. Maybe firewood.
Adingan tulong na itong mapon udah. Tiron udah. Dari kereta mo ida. Oh, gamay ram ni.
That's okay?
Oh, gua tiran mo ba?
Do you have to route it? Does Nando have to route it?
It's small.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. So tomorrow I'll bring the wood here. Okay? All right. Thank you. Okay. So that's it. Back to the house. Unload the door. The glass people still waiting for them. We did call them this morning. They said their workers, gave them the allowances. Shouldn't be on their way. But I'm sorry, I'm sorry guys if I can't subscribe to your channel right now. Watching other people's videos right now is the last thing on my mind. I've got a $200,000 investment here that I've got to look after, and I have to make sure that it comes out right. So I don't know. I don't appreciate the comment. To be honest with you, it rubbed me the wrong way. Commenting on my channel, telling me that you've been following me, but have I watched any of your videos? The answer is no. I haven't watched any of your videos, Joe. Not a single one. Because I've got other things to do right now. Can't you see how busy we are? And to make a comment like that on my channel is kind of childish, to be honest with you. So that's that. I'm not going to talk about that anymore. This area looks really nice. There's going to be a shower here, where that pipe is. There'll be an outdoor shower. It's going to be beautiful. It's right underneath this tree. There'll be a wraparound bench seat around this. And then I got to hire a landscaper. Doors are being finalized. They look good. All right. I got new tracks. I found really nice ones, plastic ones, to get rid of these steel ones, so we don't have any issues. So I'm happy about that. I think the doors look great. Kitchen looks beautiful. It's going to look even nicer when it's furnished. So that's it. Guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and thank you for watching our videos. I'm sorry if I cannot subscribe to everyone's channel that belongs to my channel. Right now, Lynn and I, we don't have much time. I really don't have any time to watch videos. we're so busy. So you got to understand, it takes a lot of work just to make these videos and upload them. Whatever spare time I have goes to making these videos. But we do appreciate it. We do appreciate every subscriber and everyone who's watching our channel. Thanks again. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.